The sun produces more energy in just 1 hour than humanity uses in an entire year, and yet, it's just an ordinary star in the universe. That glowing ball in the sky is far more powerful and terrifying than it looks. The sun contains about 99.8% of all the mass in the solar system. Every planet, moon, and asteroid combined is just a tiny fraction compared to it. Its gravity is so dominant that it controls everything that orbits around it. To understand its size, imagine this. If the sun were as tall as a door, Earth would be no bigger than a coin. In reality, about 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. That's how massive this star truly is. Deep inside the sun's core, temperatures reach around 15 million degrees Celsius. At this extreme heat, hydrogen atoms collide and fuse into helium, releasing enormous energy through nuclear fusion. This is the same reaction scientists are still struggling to recreate on Earth. Even traveling at the speed of light, sunlight takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. So when you look at the sun, you're actually seeing it as it was in the past. Space is so vast that even light is an instant. The sun isn't solid at all. It's made of superheated plasma constantly moving and boiling. This motion creates powerful magnetic fields that twist and snap, unleashing massive bursts of energy called solar flares. These solar flares can directly impact Earth. Strong ones have the power to disrupt satellites, GPS systems, and even large-scale power grids. Our modern technology is more vulnerable to the sun than most people realize. Those dark patches you sometimes see are called sunspots. They're actually cooler than the surrounding surface, but still incredibly hot, and can be larger than Earth itself. They reveal just how chaotic the sun's surface really is. Every second, the sun fuses about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium. Around 4 million tons of that mass is converted directly into pure energy, following Einstein's famous equation E=mc². That energy is what keeps life on Earth possible. The sun constantly releases a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. When these particles collide with Earth's magnetic field, they create the breathtaking auroras near the poles, one of the most beautiful side effects of this cosmic power. Even at 4.6 billion years old, the sun is only halfway through its life. It still has about 5 billion years left, steadily burning and supporting life as we know it. But this stability won't last forever. Here's the most mind-blowing part. One day, the sun will expand into a massive red giant. It will likely engulf Mercury and Venus, and could either swallow Earth or leave it completely scorched and lifeless. The same star that gives us life may one day erase it. Everything we know exists because of the sun, and one day it may be the reason it all ends. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.